more, little more, just a little more. That's enough. Oh, that might have been too much. Don't you hate when that happens? You get to camp and try to get level and roll out of bed? Hey guys, this is Rick with RVs of America, and I'm here today to talk to you about leveling your trailer. Specifically today, I wanted to talk to you about the LEVELMATE Pro. It is an app that you can download on your phone or tablet that will allow you to get your trailer level so you don't have happen to you what just happened to me. The most important thing when you're buying a trailer like this, you want to make sure you're comfortable. That's why you're not tent camping anymore. The LEVELMATE Pro, it's an app that you can download on your phone or a tablet, and you can keep it in the tow vehicle with you. Once you get it calibrated, it will remember the level that you were at. So when you get to a campground, you can drive around, look for the most level ground, and that way you have to do the least amount of work when you're leveling your trailer. LEVELMATE Pro works on an MDC or a Reboot. Nice thing about the Reboots is they have the airbags that you can adjust side to side, but front to back, it's nice to have something that will show you more than just a bubble level. So this is what it looks like, and this is the module that you will install. It's best to put it, if you have a pass-through up front on the driver's side, that you can install it there. It is a fairly easy install, but if you would like us to do it, we can help you set it up. We can help you get level and calibrate your trailer, because there are some measurements that are involved with it. There's simple measurements that you could do, and the app, that's a nice thing about it. It's very user-friendly, and it will walk you through how to set it up. But again, we'd love to help you out here, make sure that everything is working properly, so when you get out to camping, it's much easier for you to set up and get comfortable. So if you have a pause Reboot or an MDC, or you're looking to purchase a Reboot or MDC, reach out to one of your sales coaches, ask them more about the LEVELMATE Pro, and we can install this in our Utah location or our South Carolina location. We have stores in Utah, South Carolina, Arizona, and Colorado. So you can reach out to one of our coaches, check out our website, and look at the inventory we have there, because we want to get you roamer ready and camping more.
Don't you hate when that happens?